Magic 89.9.
Soundtrack to your ride home. I'm Isabel.
I'm JJ, and we're not kidding. We told you it's a Fact
It's a
9.
jam-packed show. But I am very excited for this one because
We've been waiting this.
we have been waiting for this moment. And sa
Yeah.
ilang sandali na lang.
Okay. Kuha kita doon But no, we've been playing their song ever since we had it for the Magic
Yeah.
Place, which was like 2 weeks ago.
Probably, yeah.
And then, nagulat na lang kami na nandito na sila. But
Right.
ladies and gentlemen, in the Magic Booth, we have Onse. Yo, what's up?
Hello everyone.
May intro ba kayo?
Yeah, ganito kami. Sa ano namin.
Okay.
Bakit?
11.
What's 11?
Espanyol?
Espanyol.
No hablo Espanyol, eh, no?
No, bla.
English only.
Oh, no, kasi yung mga matatanda sa atin, they were forced to take Spanish lessons when they were young in school. Tayo hindi na eh.
Oo.
Ang alam na lang natin, 15 pag magbabayad ng ano, or
20.
20, di ba?
Tama,
Tapos
tama.
50. Pero yun na yun.
Yun eh.
Okay, so Onse, but your names are...
I'm Ron.
I'm Sarah Mo.
Ooh.
Yes, like caramel.
Kasi gawin na gataso natin yung joke. But welcome. How vibe check tayo since it's like 7:30. Maulan kanina pero we braved through it and we're going through our days. How are the two of you feeling?
Yeah, we're feeling good. Thank you for having us
Of
here.
course.
Syempre. And this is our first guesting as a band.
Yes.
As a duo.
Oh, as a duo. Yeah.
We're very excited.
So excited kami. Na
Kaya nga,
ako
sobrang
naman,
excited.
abangan.
Matchy pa kayo ng outfit.
Ay,
Actually, reverse.
Hindi sadya.
Hindi, guys. Hindi.
Oo, sabi niya, mag black tapos gray kasi ako
Gusto ko kasi
gray as black.
matchy tayo, bro.
Bali kanina pagpasok ko sa kanila, sabi ko, uy, yung suot mo, ito suot ko. Ay, okay lang.
Okay, but let's...
Okay
Kasi nga naman, Okay, but starting us off, bakit Onse yung napili niyong pangalan?
May short at may long.
Yes, anong gusto niyong mauna ba? Short or long explanation?
Sige, ikaw mag-explain ng short, tapos ikaw mag-explain ng long.
Alright.
Okay, so hello, I'm Ron.
I'm Sarah Mel.
Onse.
Sarah Mel o Ron. Ron.
Tapos
Ronse.
Yes. Without the R.
Kasi hindi catchy yung Ronse.
Din.
Right? So medyo Onse.
Kasi on is a part of Ron and then se is part of Sarah.
Yeah,
So they are a part of each other.
Yeah. Yun.
Never beating the alligator.
So ano yung long explanation?
So yung long explanation is, so si Ron Macapagal and si Sarah Mel, individual artists before.
Okay.
So nag-collab kami sa isang song and then sabi namin, parang pwede to, gawa tayo banda. So yun, nagduo kami. Yan. Dalawa kami.
Dalawang ones, individuals.
Yeah, dalawang one. But like, hindi siya 1 + 1, 2. Yeah.
Oo, Magellan.
It's 1 + 1, 11, yeah. So, dalawa kaming ganyan. So,
Yeah,
yun.
2 individual artists na nagsama.
Oh, okay. Akala ko sabihin ko kasi yung years nila sa industry pag pinagsama 11 yung ano. Pero hindi tama yung math ko eh.
Masyadong malayo yung...
Hindi tama yung math ko eh. Okay.
Okay, so, sige go.
Yung ano, the song that we've been talking about na, which is right now number 4 sa Magic Pop 10 is called Sandali. And ang una kong tanong is before we dive
hurt
with
you?
with the song is who hurt you guys?
Why?
Damn.
Actually, pinapatawagan po namin
Milistahan nga siya eh.
Ay. So, yung sandali, story siya na pwede makarelate si Sarah Mel, pero ako, dito ko lang linabas yung creative storytelling and songwriting, pero baka may gusto kayo idagdag.
So, si
about
Sarah Mel
this
lang yung
song.
may hinanakit dito sa
Ako support lang ako sa friends.
For my friend. Go tayo dyan.
Yes, ako naman, pag nasusulat kasi ako, syempre, kung ano yung na-experience ko before and yun nga, parang na-experience ko na rin kasi parang after a breakup na parang gusto ko, wait lang, teka lang, hindi ko kayang mag-isa. So, dun siya umiikot yung yung song.
And yung parang iniwan, may naranasan na ba kayo parang iniwan na no explanation, yung ganun na parang, sandali, pwede ba pag-usapan natin kung ano bang nangyayari?
Oo, na parang ginost ka lang.
Parang ginost ka
Parang,
na.
teka lang, ano nangyari? Ba't ganito?
Saan ako nagkamali?
Oo,
Tapos gaya mo pala, bakit sa iba? Trend kasi. Trendy.
Sama ka na doon.
Uy. Sige. Ano na kami? 13 na kami pag ay, 12 pala, ano ba yan? No? Pinag-skip eh. But yeah, okay. So these are your experiences tapos support ng friend mo. Pero collaborative siya in that sense.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's siguro more on from the two of you with the song like Sandali. How paano yung nagiging dynamics niyo as a duo? Kasi you mentioned na before, individual artists lang kayo. We want to know what clicked for you and ano yung nagiging process niyo behind the scenes.
So, kasi yung pag nasa studio kami, parang nagkukwentuhan lang muna kami kung ano yung gusto namin marinig sa song, kung ano yung gustong kalabasan. Una sa melody muna or sa sound na kailangan ganito, atmospheric. And then through talking and jamming rin, nakabuo kami na parang concept na ng kabuuan ng song. So ito, yung chorus muna kasi usually nasusulat namin.
Yeah.
So yun mo yung sandali.
Yeah, so ang kwento kasi niyan is like last year pa nasulat yung song. So may demo ko yung chorus lang ng song. Tapos sinend ko kay Ron. So nagustuhan namin pareho. Ginam namin siya and then parang yun. Ang daming ideas namin na binato sa isa't isa.
Sulat ng
And then,
verse,
yeah.
pre-chorus, yung mga ganun.
So hindi na kayo nagkaroon ng moment na parang pagkatapos pakinggan yung demo, parang, ay, sandali, teka, parang ang ganda na nito Ganun, parang hinayaan nyo nila isa't isa nyo na mag-enter the flow state.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly. Actually, isa yan sa pinaka very important sa process namin as Onse. Actually, pinag-usapan namin, hindi namin na-overthink yung songs.
Kain muna, tapos, uy, parang ang ganda to sa pre-chorus.
Add lang ng add yung ideas.
Kung ano yung nararamdaman namin na i-add namin sa moment na yun.
Tapos parang kapag hindi siya cohesive pa, sige, pwede nating i-adjust or ayusin. So,
Yeah.
So in a way, authenticity ang branding din ng Onse.
Yeah.
Ano? Authenticity and genuineness with your feelings, no? Not only with like related to love, but like ideas as well. Kung ano man yung pumasok sa naisip nyo or nafe-feel nyo doon,
yes.
try natin pasok ganun.
Try natin. Sa
Sige.
sounds, sa melodies, and sa lyrics.
So, with the two of you, nagkaroon ba kayo ng moment na parang may idea si Ron and then si Sermel parang biglang,
Parang hindi.
sandali, parang ganyan.
So far,
Or hindi pa naman?
So far, sa mga songs namin na unreleased and released, pareho namin gusto.
Kasi ano rin siya.
Napaka-sweet naman talaga.
So doon kami nagmi-meet. Kasi minsan kapag may ginagawa kami, may gagawin na rin siya. Parang, kasi gawa pa tayo ng gawa. Parang hanggang sa pareho namin magustuhan na. Hindi naman namin in-argue na parang di okay yan. Parang ano lang kami. Kasi gawa pa tayo ng gawa.
Yeah.
Hanggat mahanap yung tamang groove or something,
yung
like tamang sound, ganyan. Okay. Ang gandang perspective na, no? Kasi a lot of people would be like, easy to shut things down. Parang, hindi pwede yan. Madami rin na sa mga older people, di ba? Like, easy to shut down kasi napagdaanan nila. Pero sa inyo, you are also forwarding this kind of mindset na parang, sige, hanap pa tayo. It's like, in a way na parang, how would I say this? Nag-encourage for more ideas instead of sticking to one thing lang that for them has been working. Ganon, di ba?
Yes.
Never
Kasi gumagana
negative.
ito na lang. Ganyan.
Yeah.
Wow! May matutunan pala kayo kaysa sa love.
Teamwork pala, no? Ang
Teamwork
galing.
makes the dream work.
Yes.
Okay.
Tama. Oh, but you guys are very genuine with yourselves. Your songs also talk about feelings that other people can relate to, right? What is it that you guys bring to these very... I wouldn't say common, pero these are themes that have been talked about before. Over and over, heartbreak is something that is inevitable. Everybody goes through it. It's a canon event. But what flavor does Onse bring into these heartbreak songs as a theme?
Yeah, sa mga ganitong song, sometimes we try to contradict the message of the song sa mismong sound niya na, ay ito, malungkot pala pero upbeat siya or parang medyo lively siya na bright yung sound niya mismo or yung music na i-create namin. Pero yung message pala niya is parang ang lungkot pala kapag
Oo nga. Ang saya-saya ko
take
siyang
it in,
kinakanta pero ganda pala yung lyrics.
Pag bigla mo ma-realize, pag palagi mo na pinapakinggan, parang sad pala yung
nasayawan ko to. Tapos naiiyak na pala ako. Parang ganun.
napapaiyak
Saan
na
nga
ako.
luha na to? At gano'n.
Bigla ka na napapaluha, di ba?
Piniplay namin parang ano yun. Ganda no?
Ang ganda,
Tapos
parang,
biglang after a minute and a half, pagdating ng chorus, nakagano na kami.
You know what? The thing is, I remember introducing this song, probably one of the very first times I introduced the song for the Pop 10. And I said, it came after Olivia Rodrigo's The Cure. Parang silang dalawa yung magkasunod. Tapos after sinabi ko yung Olivia Rodrigo, sabi ko, wow, grabe, that was such a painful song. And now for a little bit more upbeat music, we have Onse with Sandali. Tarang, tapos parang ako, lungkot pala ng lyrics. Sabi ko, inutuko silang lahat. Inutuko yung sarili ko.
Pero okay lang. The people loved it. See, it's number 4.
Exactly. It is number 4. And it is a very amazing song, and we will not withhold that privilege for everybody out there to listen to the song once more. Once again, we have in the studio Onse with their song Sandali. You're still listening to today's best music. We're Magic 89.9.
sitwasyon.
Parang wala lang sa'yo, parang wala lang sa'yo.
Meron bang mali sa'kin na di ko nakikita? Dami mong pinapansin na maling galawan.
Gusto ko lang naman pag-usapan mo. Ano nangyari sa ating dalawa? Kaya kung okay lang sa'yo, pwede pa tayo mag-usap kahit...
Sandali,
Kaya bang makapaghintay ng kahit
sandali,
pwede mo ba akong kitain ng saglit?
sa gabi.
Huwag ka sana muna umalis hanggat hindi ko kayang mag-isa.
Gusto ko lang malaman kung bakit di pinaglaban. Ang dami ko ng tanong sa'yo, gulong-gulo. Meron bang mali sa'kin na di ko nakikita? Dami mong pinapansin na maling galawan.
Di ka na nagparamdam ulit. Di ka man lang nagpaalam nung umalis ka na. Basta tandaan mo, ikaw lang hinihintay ko.
Sandali,
Kaya bang makapaghintay ng kahit
sandali,
pwede mo ba akong kitain ng saglit?
sa gabi.
Huwag ka sana muna umalis hanggat hindi ko kayang mag-isa.
Sandali,
Kaya bang makapaghintay ng kahit
sandali,
pwede mo ba akong kitain ng saglit?
sa gabi.
Huwag ka sana muna umalis hanggat hindi ko kayang mag-isa.
Whoa.
Nag-relapse
Parang
na ako eh.
na-starstruck ako ng very slight.
Nag-check ako ng mga screenshots nun eh. Para sa nga ba?
First time nag-scroll ka na, nag-scroll back ka na.
Teka lang. Para one question. Yung may recording, voicemail ba yun ganon? In the middle of the song, sino yung bumoses nun?
Si Ron.
So
Yeah.
totoong voicemail yun or for the song?
For the song.
Okay, making sure lang.
Akala ko nagbabasa ka rin nun eh.
Oo.
Nag-scroll back ka.
Hindi natin sure. Joke lang.
Hindi po namin papaalam, itatago namin siya sa pangalan.
Nag-confessions wala. But yeah.
Well, we've been listening to the song over and over, and we have been playing the song religiously on the show.
Oh,
And
baka
it's,
nga mamaya i-play ulit natin.
oo nga, it's the first time na parang ako na-starstruck ng song. Sabi ko, oh my God, sila to! Tunay
Diba?
nga!
Sabi ko, ang takad pala nila kanina. Okay.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I need a moment.
Okay, sige. While you take a moment, how does it feel to be able to perform that live on air?
Ang saya
Actually,
kasi...
first time din namin perform to
Yeah.
So,
Aw.
very, wala, ang saya.
Kasi
Oo nga.
excited kami perform actually.
Oh, well, thank you so much for sharing that experience with us. And napansin ko rin kanina, ang lungkot ng kanta pero nakangiti silang kumakanta. Parang ako,
Healing kasi yun.
Wow.
Yeah.
They've moved on.
Itago ko kaya.
Ano siya? Yung meme yung nakangiti tapos pagka ganyan naka-sad face na. Hindi mo gets.
Hindi ko
Wala ka dun sa FYP na yun.
Wala ka dun.
Okay, ngayon, now is the time for you guys to promote your stuff. Where can people find you and watch you then if ever magkakaroon ng gigs?
Hello guys, we're Onse, and you can follow us on all our music streaming platforms.
Yes.
There you can find our songs. And ang mga social media naman namin
At Onse Music.
At on
On all socials, yes.
There we go.
Alright. Pero teka lang, Jay.
Oh, bakit is Bakit ang acting? Nakakainis!
Jay, ang ganda na ng
Nag-cringe
buhat ko
na ako eh. Nag-cringe na
Ay, nako. But we have, speaking of first time performing the song, first time as a duo, first time on air.
We are
playing.
an exclusive.
Yes, I super love it when they give it to us.
Yeah,
for the first time.
because this one is coming August when again?
August 7.
August 7, your newest release, and it's called
Langit.
Langit.
Unreleased.
So walk us through it. What is the song about? And is this gonna be a painful song?
Not really. This
Yeah.
one is a more hopeful song.
Oh.
Kasi Langit is about may relationship ka kahit sino, jowa or loved one, na may kahit anong pagdaanan yung hirap is kaya nyo pa rin ipagpatuloy lahat. It's a
Yes.
commitment and it's because of love na kaya mong pagdaanan lahat.
Lahat ng pagsubok.
Lahat ng pagsubok, yes.
Okay.
So sinaktan nila tayo pero healing na yung pagkatapos.
Yan ang gusto ko.
Diba? Tama, balance.
And then sabi nga nila, marami pa silang unreleased and hopefully when you guys release those, bumalik kayo dito.
Yes,
For
for
now,
sure.
we love the description for this. We are having it as a Magic exclusive before August 7. 7, no?
Yes.
Yes.
7?
August
Oh, we
7.
are going to hear it for the first time here on the Magic Studio. Once again, this is Once with their song Langit here on today's Best Music. Your Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.